Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create this gorgeous baby headband perfect for Valentine's Day. The materials I'm going to be using in this tutorial are 2 different color ribbons, glue gun and glue, scissors, and decorative stones. For the decoration, we're gonna have 6 strips, 3 of each color, starting on 16 centimeters. For the other color, you're gonna do 15 and a half, and then for the other color, you're gonna do 15, and so on and so forth until you have all 6 ribbons. Okay guys, so let's start with this tutorial. First thing you're gonna use are your 2 different color ribbons. So you want to make a knot with them, so you place them together and you make a knot. So then the knot, you put it facing down. You open the ribbons and then you fold both ribbons like this. We're gonna make the hook a little bigger like that, and then the one on the right side, you put it in through the left side and you pull the other color. To continue, you're gonna fold the other one, the one that you just pulled, and you're gonna put it in the hole. And the same thing with the other side. So you're gonna keep doing this process until you get the measurement that you need for the headband that you're making. Okay, so now we are at the end of the ribbon. You see that the pink one is almost done. So what we're gonna do is that instead of folding the red one, we're just gonna put it in through the hook like that, and then we're gonna pull down the pink one, and that's how you're gonna end it. So now the ribbon is done. So what we're gonna do is that we're gonna glue the one with the red one or the odd color under the one that matches. Okay, so it's gonna be like that. So this is the headband done. So now we are going to need the 6 ribbons. So you fold it in the middle, and right in the middle where you fold it, right there you're gonna put a dot of glue, and then you're gonna fold it back. So we have the first one done. Then for the next one, you're gonna do the same thing. You're gonna fold it in the middle, and you're gonna put some glue in the middle. You're gonna put it right there in the middle, and then you're gonna fold it again. So you're gonna do the same thing with the rest of them. Okay, so after it's done, it's gonna be looking like this. So now we go back to the ribbon, and right where you glued it, you're gonna put in the middle a dot of glue. That's where we're gonna start our heart. So you want to place it looking like that. Okay, so make sure that your heart is tight. Okay, so it's already glue. The glue is dry. So now we're gonna leave 2 spaces in between, so 1 and 2. On the 3rd space, right in the middle, we're gonna put some glue. And we're gonna bring the first color and we're gonna glue it like this. Okay, so the same thing with the other one. I'm gonna place some glue right there in the middle. And we line the ribbon with each other and we glue it. So we have our first heart done. And we do the same thing with the other ribbon. We fold it. Okay, so we have our second heart done. Continue to do this process until you have all 6 hearts. So after you glue all 6 parts, I'm gonna be using these decorative stones. Then we're gonna place them in the center where the glue starts to show. So what we're gonna do is that we're gonna place a dot of glue in the middle and we place one of the small ones. Alright, so your Valentine's headband is done. It's gonna be looking like this. And so you can create the headbands in different colors. I have these 2 different combinations. They're gorgeous and beautiful. They're perfect for Valentine's Day. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. On my next tutorial, I'm gonna be showing you how to make a single color ribbon. See you next time.